Hello, in front of me I've got SsangYong Rexton. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation destination. In the beginning, let's go to navigation, menu, and now select search, home, resend, my places. Now enter address or name. And tap drive. To stop navigation route, go to menu, search,